thought y'all come back another time.
Ma. Y'all be feeling like Sharpay. Hey y'all, it's your girl Najee Vaughn. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be doing something different. I was trying to think like what I could do because we're all stuck in the house, you know, so it's not really many options. But I know a lot of y'all are probably stuck whether you decide to go home or not. I know everybody's been talking about making new recipes and cooking and all that stuff. So today I was like, what can I do for quarantine? Like, what would be kind of interesting? I don't know. But basically today I'm gonna be making rotel or nachos. I don't like to call it rotel. That's my personal preference because that's literally the tomatoes that go in there. But that's another thing. I'm gonna be making shrimp nachos. I'm gonna show y'all how to make shrimp nachos. So if y'all ever need, I don't even know what to call it. Basically like a college friendly or a college budget friendly meal, this is gonna be the meal. So if you don't know how to make nachos, you're finna learn today. So this is everything you're gonna need. It's really simple, y'all. Like if you don't know how to make nachos, you finna learn. So first you're gonna need some chips. I personally like these because the other ones get on my nerves. And then you're gonna need rotel. I personally like hot because I like hot and spicy food, but most people use mild, I don't know. And then you're gonna need Velveeta, or you can use Easy Melt if that's your preference. I don't really care. But then you're gonna need ground beef. But since I'm making shrimp nachos, you're also gonna need a bag of shrimp. But we're gonna be working with the rest of this shrimp because we used some the other day. But it don't really matter what size you get. I personally don't like the ones with the tails. So I don't have to take my tails off while I'm eating. But that's just me. And then you're just gonna need a bowl just to season your meats and all of that. So for seasonings, these are all I'm gonna be using. Everybody knows what this is. Like, and I like to use garlic powder on my hamburger meat. I don't know why. I feel like it just gives it a little more flavor. And Tony's, of course. Everybody uses Tony's. And just a little pepper, like. I don't know how I feel about pepper, y'all. I feel like pepper is the most useless seasoning of all seasonings. Because they last forever. Like, we've been having this pepper since we moved here. And we have like 2. But every time you use pepper, you only use like a dash. So that'll just be... Oh, I'm not supposed to be cursing, but that thing just be sitting in there collecting dust. But I'm gonna use these, and after I finish using my meat, I'm gonna come back. Okay, so my meat is still frozen because I always forget to take my meat out after I cook. Like, that's one of the things I feel like I'm forever gonna do. But anyways, I have to defrost it because obviously it's still hard. So I'm gonna take it out. I'm sure y'all know how to defrost meat, but I'm still gonna show y'all. And you wanna cook something but you're short on time, just put it in a bowl. Put some water in there. And put it in the microwave. So now I'm just waiting. For a pound, it's only 5 minutes, so after it's done defrosting, it should be good to go. Sometimes you might have to like redo it and do it another time, so it'll still be kind of hard in the middle, but it was already kind of like getting soft, so it shouldn't take that long. Yeah, so we was over here talking about being vegan, and I honestly don't think I can do it. Like, I just don't, because there's just so many things that have meat, like certain dishes you can't recreate without that protein.
I feel like you couldn't do vegan because you can't eat cheese and everything.
Yeah, that too. Like, I cannot give up cheese. I'm sorry.
No, context is she don't need to be eating cheese anyway because she's
First
lactose
of all,
intolerant.
I can eat cheese. Everybody eat cheese, y'all.
She's
Who don't eat
lactose
cheese?
intolerant. She's not supposed to.
I don't drink regular milk. That's already a lot. Well, I don't even like regular milk, but still, that's just a lot of restrictions being placed on me. And I don't like it. Like, no. if you're lactose intolerant. Comment if you're lactose intolerant and you eat cheese.
I'm pretty sure all lactose intolerant can still eat.
Exactly.
Y'all love ice cream, cheese.
Everything that I like has cheese.
That's you. That's how your stomach be mad and shit.
It do. So after that, you're just gonna take the same things you did and add it to your shrimp bowl. And instead of just using the seasonings, I'm gonna do something different this time and just add a little bit of cilantro to the shrimp, just because, you know, why not? We're making shrimp nachos, so I feel like it will add a little, you know, kick. But I wish I had Slap Your Mama, because that's the one thing that I don't have that would probably make this 10 times better. Because like I said, I like spicy and hot food, so I would definitely use that on my shrimp if I had some, but I don't, so we're just gonna be using Tony's today. Once it just look ready, it just look ready. But right now I'm just getting the cilantro. I would cut it up, but I'm not gonna use that much because I don't want it to, like, I'm really just making regular nachos. I'm just feeling like a little, you know, a chef today, so I want it to be a little different. But normally I wouldn't even do all this. It would literally just be straight hamburger meat, period. But it's quarantine, so why not? So after, I don't even know how long it's been, but as y'all can see, the shrimp is defrosted. So I'm gonna use the seasonings, the same ones I use for the ground beef. I really don't have, like, I don't use measurements. I just kind of, okay. I don't use measurements. I just kind of go with the flow and just hope it tastes how I like it. But a tip that I would use, I forgot who told me this, so don't quote me, but I feel like once the hamburger meat, like once you can smell it, that's how you know you seasoned it enough. And the same goes for the shrimp, because really when you're seasoning all your meat, I feel like when you can smell that seasoning, that's how you know, y'all. That's how you know. But in addition to these, I'm going to be using cilantro, just because we're going to have shrimp, so why not spice it up, you know? Well, not just Tony's, but y'all. Okay, so after you finish your meat, should be looking something like this. And like I said, I didn't even cut the cilantro up. I just picked a few pieces with my hands. Of course, I washed them. Oh my god. I just feel like so tedious about being super clean since all this stuff is going on. So I'm gonna keep mentioning that. But basically, I just picked a few pieces off because I don't want the cilantro to, like, you know, take over. But first, we're gonna cook our meats, and then we're gonna come back to my least favorite part. So as far as pans go, all you're going to need is a big skillet for the hamburger meat, of course. And I'm gonna be using a little skillet for the shrimp since it's not that much. And of course, you're gonna need a pot for the nachos. So I'm gonna be using this pot for the nachos. You very well could use a crock pot if you like to do it that way, but okay, so luckily the meat is already kind of soft, so I mean, not the meat, the cheese. But I'm just gonna take this big knife and cut it into the smallest squares possible. Okay, y'all. We finna taste these. What they taste like? What they taste like?
These are. Oh, sorry.
Well, hoes is acceptable.
Excuse me.
That's the only acceptable. But you should have made some guac.
You want me to make some?
Yeah. Do
These
you have sour cream?
Them boys. You got a little bit.
Bitch, we can make our own ranchito.
Them boys is hot.
Are they hot? That's how I like it.
Oh. You have to believe that I had cheese all inside my mouth.
Everything litty. Ooh. Everything litty, I love when it's hot.
Bo.
Bitch, get the pot.
Not that we're getting this on camera.
That one gotta be heavy.
Everything litty, I love when it's hot. Okay, let me make this damn guac.
We need to make a TikTok.
We do. I got the app.
I ain't even gonna front.
I ain't even gonna lie.
She walked up in the club. Oh,
Bitch.
which I was trying to get into focus, my bad. Okay, y'all. Let's see what they hitting for.
Your girl's making the guac.
Let me show y'all a plate.
Bitch, hand me my smoothie. Oh, I'm sorry.
Y'all, I mean, I know everybody can make nachos, but I'm just saying, like.
So, baby, we're gonna have to use these.
What?
They're not old. We might not have.
At the beauty. Like, look at the beauty, literally.
We might not have guacamole.
On that now. Okay, y'all, thank you for watching. We got our nachos. She finna make the guac. But like I said, this is just a little cute little, you know, college meal on a budget. You know, when you broke or when you struggling, or even when you're not broke, when you just don't feel like cooking like that. And I know everybody's stuck in the house, so this is the perfect time to be coming up with recipes. Oh, I gotta go, yeah. But thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And let me know if y'all want to see more videos, like more cooking or more food or more whatever.
More quarantine things.
Yeah. Bye.
Or you can get your money back. How about y'all come back another time? Like, nigga, this lady literally just got her arm ripped off.
Sorry. One of these finna be my thumbnail.
I need to change this up right here right now.
What?